Welcome to the Explainer. Let's dive right into a crazy biological mystery about anti-aging and resetting your metabolism.
Meet the bowhead whale. This massive 80-ton giant holds secrets that could completely revolutionize our own cellular health. Astonishingly, this incredible creature lives over 200 years with practically zero instances of fatal cancer. So you've got to wonder, how do trillions of whale cells completely dodge fatal genetic errors? Well, here's the ultimate plot twist. Whales don't just resist cellular damage, they flawlessly repair it. Their secret is CIRBP, a cold-activated protein that acts like an elite first responder, fixing severed DNA. The gap here is insane. Whales actually produce 100 times more of this protein than we do. But we can apply this exact repair strategy to our mitochondria, our cellular batteries, for peak metabolic health. Enter VILAVI T8 EXTRA 90%. It restores energy and boosts insulin sensitivity by 43% via BAT activation. This clinical fix harnesses the CYP-XP complex, extracting powerful polyphenols and cell sap straight from Siberian taiga needles. Just ingest 2 milliliters daily. Your liver converts these into dolichos, completely sealing and repairing mitochondrial membranes. The ultimate longevity lesson here? Repair, don't replace. Are you ready to start resetting your insulin today?